Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bakmi ya ke Urban Affairs, uba senyaw halang dhar, ula pentim ba ke jingalang ban bishar, halor ke jing pinkin ria ya ke Harijan Colony, ni ke them yo maulong, kan long hakata yo bakadu jong ubnai nailar. Ulo ong bula betha yaki officer, ban lum ki kai pot bethamai na baro kitnan, bat ke jingalang ke baningkong kan long tang hapadeng kitnat sorkar. Hadian kata ansa khodru yaki bedan benta kintop ya kinong shong ke Harijan Colony uba adhar ula ongru ba udang ap iki kaipot na ke defense kabadai tra ya ke te ke jaka thnang ba baro ki jingtip kinlong ki blapin kre shwa ban sedang ya ke jingekren halor ke jing slam jong kan ka kam uba adhar ula kubur ba kala sa teng la slam bha hinrei ula ong ba kamlong ka basung bat ke sorkar kadang persangkat bala banwad ke jingepin ben.
Status for that, we already plan to have meetings maybe last week of the month. I already coordinate with my officer, with my department to get update all the latest report from different part of the department and from the defense everything. We'll be having a meeting on the location of the thing in the last part of August.
So this
only between the department first, and then we will call the people from that camps. To collect all the report in details, the reports within the departments, and the report between the departments and the Harijan Colony, and the report between the Harijan, the governments, and the defense land, and be able to know. So I told him be ready everything. So last part of this August we'll be having meeting about these issues.
But don't
Issues long pending, of course. So that's why we are trying. But since long pending issue is not so easy to say immediately, but we are trying our best to solve it.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically polluted hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrei ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki jila menta ki dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan